Hey, and welcome back to another Keeper Talk. It's me, Audrey, again. So today I'm checking out our tide pool tank, and although it doesn't look like there's much going on, there's a lot happening in this tank. The closer you look, just like a real tide pool, the more you see. So if I take a closer look, first off, I can see one of our giant hermit crabs going for a little bit of an afternoon snack. Just like if you've seen our land hermit crab video, these guys will use their claws to help push food up to their mouth, and he's going for some algae, it looks like, on the side of that rock. There's also some different types of sea urchins in here. We have our pencil urchin hanging out in the middle of this rock, as well as another urchin kind of hanging up towards the top of the filter. They have lots of what we call tube feet to be able to stick to things and climb around. That way, if they're outside in the wild, they can climb up and go over all of these rocks as they need to get to their food. There's also lots of snails in here, and some of them I can see, some of them are actually hiding all the way underneath this sand. They hide there so they can't be seen, and they'll stick a tube up out of the sand so they can filter and kind of sense what's around them. Now, tide pools are really important for us because we can find lots of life there that we can study and learn about and see what's happening out in the ocean. If you've ever been out to the ocean before, you may have seen lots of shells like these, large rocks, or other creatures hanging out in little pools of water like this. When you're at the beach, it's important that we look at these creatures, but we just leave them be, right? They're there to help keep the ecosystem healthy. Now, things that are changing their environment, like higher pH, higher acidity, things like that in their water, can affect them negatively. Especially our hermit crab here, who needs shells to live. Higher pH and acidity in the water can harm those shells. They won't be able to live there. So for us to help protect them, we can make sure that we keep our pollutants down, keep water healthy, and you can tell people about how cool the ocean is and all the creatures that live there. Now, for a sneak peek at our next animal, check out Ashlyn with our next video.